Have you ever wondered how decisions that affect your everyday life are made? Or how the government listens to your needs? Let's dive into the world of state government and find out how it works. There are three different types of governments are there. 1. Central government. 2. State government. 3. Local government. Understanding the state government. This chapter focuses on the state government and its functions within a democracy. We will explore the roles and responsibilities of a member of the Legislative Assembly, MLA, and ministers. The chapter also explains how citizens can express their concerns to the government and seek its help. The concept is illustrated using healthcare as a key example. Who is an MLA? An MLA, member of the Legislative Assembly, is a representative elected by the people in a specific area, known as a constituency, to speak for them in the state's Legislative Assembly. MLA and their constituency? Every state in India is divided into many constituencies. In each constituency, people vote to choose one person to represent them. The person elected from each constituency becomes the MLA of that area. MLAs and the formation of government. MLAs can become ministers or even the chief minister of their state if their party wins the election. If a political party wins more than half of the constituencies, it forms the ruling party, while the other parties form the opposition. For example, in the 2017 Himachal Pradesh elections, the BJP, Bharatiya Janata Party, won 44 out of 68 seats, making it the ruling party. The INC, Indian National Congress, became the main opposition party with fewer seats. Chief Minister and Ministers. After the election, the MLAs of the ruling party choose their leader as the chief minister. In Himachal Pradesh, for instance, Shri Jairam Thakur was chosen as the chief minister. The chief minister then selects other MLAs to become ministers responsible for different government departments such as health or education. The governor of the state officially appoints the chief minister and the ministers. Responsibilities of ministers. The chief minister and ministers manage various government departments and ensure that essential services are provided to the people. The Legislative Assembly is the place where all MLAs meet to discuss important issues. Some MLAs also take on dual roles as both legislators and ministers. A debate in the Legislative Assembly. In the Legislative Assembly, MLAs participate in debates to discuss important issues, share their opinions, and ask questions. Ministers respond to the questions raised by MLAs, explaining the government's actions and strategies. Any decisions made by the government, such as how to tackle problems, need to be approved by the MLAs in the Legislative Assembly. These debates allow MLAs to express the concerns of the people from their constituencies, such as problems related to healthcare, water supply, and sanitation. Example: addressing healthcare concerns. Imagine a situation where a diarrhea outbreak occurs in the state. MLAs from affected areas might raise concerns about how the health department is handling the crisis. Possible actions suggested by MLAs to resolve the issue could include increasing the number of doctors and nurses in hospitals, distributing ORS packets to patients, improving water supply and sanitation to prevent future outbreaks. Working of the government. The state government has the authority to make new laws related to healthcare, sanitation, and other public services. For instance, they might pass a law that requires municipalities to build more public toilets or ensure that every village has an appointed health worker. These laws are made in the state's Legislative Assembly, and it is the responsibility of various government departments to implement them. While laws for the entire country are created in Parliament, state laws focus on specific issues relevant to the state. Role of MLAs in a democracy. In a democracy, People elect their representatives, the MLAs, to govern and make decisions on their behalf. The party with a majority forms the government, and some MLAs from this party become ministers in charge of different departments. The Legislative Assembly has the power to approve the work done by these departments, ensuring that the needs of the people are met and that government actions align with the interests of the citizens. Understanding the state government. By understanding the roles of MLAs, ministers, and the Legislative Assembly, we can better appreciate how our state governments function and how they address the issues faced by the people. In conclusion, we explored how state governments operate, the role of MLAs and ministers, and how they respond to citizens' needs. Understanding these processes helps us see how our voices can be heard in a democracy. We hope that you have understood the topic. You can now study chapter notes, watch video lectures and solve MCQ tests of this chapter on EduRev to ensure you score well in your school exams. And that's not all. You also get amazing courses for maths, science, English, Hindi, and much more for class 7. Thank you.